Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A31 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture, which as an example I'm just going to use the home screen that is open, and from there all you need to do is hold the power key, volume down. You'll get a sound and an animation like so, then it disappears, and now the image can be found in your photo gallery. So let's open up photos. Let's allow this, and there we go. So you have camera, and right there's the screenshot that I have captured. So that is how you would capture a screenshot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.